Hi friends, I'm excited to present to you the next generation of efficiency, the all-new Case 770 NXE. I am Fahad, the product expert from Case Construction Equipment. So let me take you to the key features of this wonderful equipment. Case has always been very strong when it comes to the loader side, and the credit to that goes to the bucket. So this new bucket is designed in such a manner that it gives better fill factor. How it does that? The profile itself is a deeper design. As you see, it is a deeper bucket, so the fill factor is better. And to top up to that, there's an additional spill-proof guard which is kept here so that it disallows any material to spill onto the hood and loss of productivity. So put together this profile of the bucket and the spill guard, you get more fill per cycle. So you actually need lesser trips to fill a truck. So lesser trips means lesser fuel consumed, higher profitability. Continuing to that is the cutting width, which is around 25 mm. It is one of the class leading. It adds to the life of the bucket. At the same time, if you see the wear plates given here, these are 4 wear plates instead of 1 single wear plate. Maintaining it, it is a low cost affair. This new bucket is 1.1 cubic meter in size with an added weight of 80 kgs to improve the front stability of the equipment. One of the key elements which differentiates a Case backhoe loader from any other competition is a straight loader arm. In terms of structural rigidity, it is one of the best. So this construction is a difficult construction. At the same time, it is very strong and reliable. So the bonus feature of this straight loader arm is in terms of greasing points. As you can see, on each side, there are 8 greasing points. So totaling 16 greasing points. If you compare this with a bent loader arm, it has 22 greasing points. So in terms of maintenance time, in terms of maintenance cost, this straight loader arm comes out as a winner. Even if you see this routing, it is so clean, so it adds to the front visibility of the operator, making the productivity better. Even the lift cylinder, which is of 85 mm thickness, is one of the largest in the category, and that adds to the breakout forces as well as the longevity of these cylinders. At the same time, this is something which is very unique to Case, the hinge type locking strut. So when the operator is using the equipment and he's trying to service it, while the loader is up, he can simply take out this pin and lock the loader arm. So it adds to the safety of the operator as well. This straight loader arm is also equipped with a self-leveling mechanism to improve the loader productivity. It also delivers a hinge pin height of 3.6 meters, which is the best in the category, and a dump height of 2.72 meters. The new loader bucket that we just saw is around 80 kgs heavier, and adding to that is the front counterweight of 210 kgs. So to summarize, this will add to the front axle weight, which is one of the best in the category. So this rubber bumper adds to the aesthetic feel of the machine. At the same time, it saves the interior componentry when this machine is loading a high body truck, and it avoids any damage at that time. The new sloping engine hood improves the front visibility of the machine and hence the productivity. It also comes equipped with a new locking mechanism. With just a switch, you can easily open it. So as you can see, after opening the engine hood, you have a wide space for doing all the regular maintenance job. You have the engine, which is a very compact 3.9 liters FPT S8000 engine, which we have been selling for last 10 years. This FPT engine have been globally proven and made in India. So it churns out 49.5 HP power and delivers 252 Newton meter of torque, which is one of the best in the class. After the engine, we have the transmission, which is a Carraro transmission, again a proven brand, mostly used by all the major manufacturers. As you can see, the layout is very clean. You can have access to all the checkpoints, daily checkpoints. You can easily clean the radiator, and all the filters can be easily cleaned from the ground itself. So all of this put together, the layout and all the checkpoints are easily accessible. That adds to the lower maintenance time and hence the lower maintenance cost. The key differentiating element of this wonderful machine, the 770 NXE, is the variable volume pump, which is electro-hydraulic in nature. So why we say it is one of the best? Because of the pump. This pump delivers class-leading productivity and lowest maintenance costs and lowest fuel consumption. The operating costs are going up But with 770 NXE, you can be rest assured that you get maximum productivity with the least fuel consumption. So friends, the 5 winning mantras for Case 770 NXE. First is the improved loader bucket. Second, the straight loader arm. Third, the high performance engine, which is fuel efficient and reliable. Fourth, the electro-hydraulic new generation variable displacement pump. And fifth, the improved front visibility adds to the productivity, which is class leading, better than any competition by more than 15%. The 770 NXE comes with a two-wheel drive front axle as standard. Then the diesel tank, which is of 129-liter capacity for all-day operation. Then the rear fender is made of fiber. It adds to the aesthetic feel of the equipment. The rear axle is where we have changed a bit. We have modified to improve the traction. So this NXE, you will get the same level of traction as with the 74 HP model. The rear tire comes in two options, the standard or industrial duty tire and the heavy duty tire for tougher applications. So coming to the rear side, this edge frame is very sturdy in construction. Even the top cover are made of metal, so it gives a better life to the hoses which are going inside. This slide frame that you are able to see, this slide frame can be locked on the edge frame very easily with just a push of a button inside the operator cabin. This slide frame is of forged construction, so as you can see, it's very strong and rigid to give it better life. And you can see all the routings are very clean and they are well protected to give it better life. These swing cylinders is one of the thickest in the category, delivering class-leading swing torque. So when you're doing the side clearing job, it will really help. Even this boom lift cylinder is one of the thickest in the category, giving a lift capacity of more than 1.3 ton. If you compare this with competition, which delivers it around 1.1 ton. So even 20% better lift capacity on the Backhoe side by virtue of giving a thicker boom lift cylinder. So in terms of lifting capability, in terms of swing torque, it is one of the best machine in the industry. This ground clearance has been increased by 2 inches. So when you are using this machine on a stockpiling application, there is enough clearance here so that there is no hindrance to the ground, and that adds to the productivity. So as you can see the boom is a S-shaped or styled boom, which is very unique to Case. In the market, this type of a boom is more prominently known as a banana boom. It has multiple benefits. With this boom, the transport height is better. With a lower transport height, it can go in confined places. With this type of a boom, the visibility from the operator station is very good. The routing and all are very clean. And moreover, in terms of productivity, when this machine is working and trying to load a truck, the bucket can go much deeper into the truck and load. In terms of dig depth, it is one of the best in class. And with this type of a setup, the operator can dig very close to the stabilizer. Now coming on to the dipper, this dipper again is very unique design. This is a 2-box dipper. So there are 2 boxes bent together and welded together. That adds to the structural rigidity of this setup. Talking about the bucket cylinder, again the bucket cylinder is very unique. The seals that are used in this bucket cylinder are heavy duty seals made for one of the toughest application. Again, coming to the bucket, this bucket is an excavator styled bucket. We call it as a scoop bucket, which is narrow in shape, making it easier for the operator to do the excavation job. At the same time, because the construction is deep, it can fill more material per cycle. That means lesser time to fill a truck. That means higher productivity. All in all, better profitability. The Case 770 NXE has 3 working modes on the Backhoe. The Eco mode for better fuel efficiency, the Standard mode for right balance of productivity and fuel efficiency, and then we have the Power mode, which delivers class-leading productivity better than competition by 10 to 15%. So it is the right balance of productivity and fuel efficiency that we at Case deliver. And this new cabin complies to international standard. This is made in India for the world. This cabin is getting exported. So you can imagine what comfort and convenience features are built in. So when we go inside, we'll see all of that. Now this fresh new cabin is spacious, one of the most comfortable cabin in the category. So on the right console, we have the central cluster, which is very well designed. So all the important information like the diesel level or the RPM meter or the engine oil temperature, the R meter reading are very easily understood by the operator. With the new machine, we are having a lot of storage spaces. We have a dedicated bottle holder, a storage space on the bottom, good amount of storage space on the back end of the machine, and we also have a closed compartment wherein he can lock his valuables like mobile phone and keep it safe. If you see on the front right side of the machine, we have a low effort hand brake lever which is very easy to operate. If you see on the right side, which is a low effort loader lever, and in the front side we also have a gear lever which again is designed to reduce the operator fatigue. On the front side, something which is very unique for case backhoe loaders is the accelerator pedal, which is electronic. It is a low effort and it is floor mounted. We have all new steering wheel which is bigger in size from the earlier 340 mm size. Now it has been increased to 380, and the steering is also cushioned. So the operating comfort has been improved in this machine. This FNR lever, the length has been increased and now it has been moved near to the steering wheel so that without taking hand off the steering, the operator can easily operate the FNR lever. Rotating the seat, there is ample amount of leg room even when there are 2 or 3 helpers sitting on the buddy seat. These new side windows come with a new latch mechanism which is very easy to operate, and it ensures that the operator gets the right amount of ventilation while he is doing the operation. One thing which is very unique about this new cabin is the rear side of the machine, wherein we have worked hard to improve the visibility of the operator. So for that, we have added rear quarter window which improves the visibility. The all new backhoe levers are designed ergonomically to improve the operator comfort. At the same time, the right lever is equipped with a horn, so that improves the safety of the surroundings while he is operating the equipment. The Case 770 NXE comes with a FM radio as standard with 2 speakers. Coming onto the hydraulic tank, which is of 105 liters capacity, that you replace 48 liters of hydraulic oil at every 4,000 hours. This saves close to 20,000 rupees annually. Now again, coming back to the engine, this engine is driven by a fuel injection pump which is inline. This inline fuel pump is a proven technology and reduces the maintenance time, maintenance cost. In terms of replacement cost, it is one of the best in the category. So the Case 770 NXE promises to deliver class-leading productivity, engine torque, reach, fuel efficiency, cabin space, travel speed, maintenance cost, operating weight, drawbar pull, efficiency work modes, and lifting capacity, making it truly a perfect model. So I invite you to visit your nearest Case dealer and experience the next generation of efficiency with our all-new Case backhoe loader, the 770 NXE, the perfect model.